A table is a grid of cells arranged in the form of rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks such as presenting textual information and numerical data. In MS Word, you can create a blank table, convert text to a table, and apply a variety of styles and formats to existing tables. Microsoft Word 2013 tables provide plenty of options that help you organize your information, align text, create forms and calendars, and even do simple mathematical calculations. In a table, you can easily add, remove, or reorganize the rows and columns. You can format a table at once using the predefined formatting options. A table is made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. An intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Inserting a small table. You can insert a table of up to 10 into 8 cells. 10 into 8 means the table contains 10 columns and 8 rows. To insert a table in MS Word, follow these steps. Move the insertion pointer cursor to the location where you want the table in your document. Select the Insert tab. Click the Table button. Move the mouse over the desired number of rows and columns. Click on Selection. The table gets inserted into your MS Word document with evenly spaced columns and rows. Inserting a larger table. To insert a table that contains more than 10 columns and 8 rows, follow these steps. Move the insertion pointer to the location where you want the table in your document. Select the Insert tab. Click on the Table button. Select Insert Table from the drop-down menu. Select the number of columns to insert in the Number of Columns field. Select the number of rows to insert in the Number of Rows field. Select the Autofit to Window radio button. Click OK. A table of the specified rows and columns will be inserted into your document. Microsoft Word 2013 lets you draw your own table using the mouse. Follow these steps to draw your own table using the mouse. Select the Insert tab. Click on the Table button. Select Draw Table from the drop-down menu. Draw a rectangle to make the table's borders of the size of the table you want. Then draw lines for columns and rows inside the rectangle. Cool fact! To erase a line that you have accidentally drawn in your table, select the Table Tools Layout tab and click the Eraser button. Then click the line that you want to erase. Modifying tables. It is easy to modify the look and feel of any table after adding it to a document. MS Word gives different options for customizing a table, including adding rows or columns and changing the table style. Cool fact! MS Word automatically counts the number of words in your document and displays it on the status bar. Adding a row or column. To add a row or column in a table, follow these steps. Hover, move the mouse near the location where you want to add a row or column and then click the plus sign that appears. A new row or column will appear in the table. Or, right-click anywhere on the table and then hover the mouse over Insert to see various row and column options. A row or column will be added to the table according to the option you have selected. Deleting a row or column. To delete a row or column from a table, follow these steps. Place the insertion point in the row or column that you want to delete. Right-click the mouse and select Delete Cells from the menu that appears. The Delete Cells dialog box appears. Select the Delete Entire Row or Delete Entire Column radio button and then click OK. The required column or row gets deleted. Applying a table style. Click anywhere on the table and then select the Design tab present on the right side of the ribbon under Table Tools. Locate the Table Styles group. Click the More drop-down arrow to see all the available table styles. Select the desired style. The selected style is applied to the table. Resizing columns. In MS Word, you can easily resize the rows and columns of a table so that the text fits properly in them. Steps to resize columns. To resize the columns of a table, follow these steps. Position the mouse pointer over the column divider between the first and second column. The mouse pointer changes into a two-headed arrow. Drag slightly to the right to increase the width of the first column. Or click anywhere on the table and then select the Layout tab under Table Tools. Click Autofit under the Cell Size group. Select the Autofit Contents option from the drop-down list. Resizing rows. To resize the rows of a table, follow these steps. Position the mouse pointer over the horizontal divider between the heading row at the top and the first data row. The mouse pointer changes to a two-headed arrow. Drag downwards to increase the height of the heading row. Merging cells. With MS Word, you can combine or merge two or more cells in the same row or column into a single cell. For example, you can merge several cells horizontally to create a table heading that spans several columns. To merge cells, follow these steps. Select the cells that you want to merge by clicking the left edge of a cell and then dragging across the other cells that you want to merge. Under Table Tools, select the Layout tab. In the Merge group, click Merge Cells. The selected cells will merge as shown in the following figure. Splitting cells. The Split Cells option allows you to further divide the selected cells into multiple cells. To split cells, follow these steps. Click in a cell or select multiple cells that you want to split. Under Table Tools, select the Layout tab. Select Split Cells under the Merge group. The Split Cells dialog box will appear. Enter the number of columns or rows into which you want to split the selected cells. The selected cell will split as shown in the figure below. Keyboard magic. You can use your keyboard to perform the following tasks. Ctrl plus Enter to insert a page break. F4 to repeat your last command. F5 go to a page section. Ctrl plus E to align text to the center. F12 to display the Save As dialog box.